Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for another episode of my Tobermory trip. If in case you missed my first part, please click the link in the description. In this vlog, I'm going to cover one of Ontario's hidden gems, the Flowerpot Island. Located 7 kilometers away from Tobermory coast, the island is accessible only by boat. We bought our tickets for the glass bottom boat drop-off tour by Blue Heron Cruises. We headed straight to the upper deck and were super excited to get started. The ferry ride itself is an adventure with stunning views all around. Here we are waving at the MS Chichimon, a passenger and vehicle ferry that operates between Tobermory and Manitoulin Island in Ontario. We first sailed through the Bigtub Lighthouse, a lighthouse built in 1885 in the Bigtub Point. We then sailed into the waters containing well-preserved shipwrecks. Our boat tour gave us narration and information about these shipwrecks as a part of their tour. It was wonderful witnessing them from the upper deck of the boat as the waters were shallow and clear. We personally preferred viewing it from the top as it gave us a full view of the wreck. We then headed to the Flowerpot Island. The flower pots at the islands are these rock pillars that have been carved out of limestone bedrock by natural forces of erosion over thousands of years. These formations have a narrow base and a larger top resembling the shape of a flower pot. There are two prominent flower pots in the island. This happens to be the larger one. After sailing less than an hour, we reached the shores of the Flowerpot Island. Since there are no restaurants or tap water available in the island, we ate our lunch well before we left and carried snacks and water with us. The toilets at this place weren't good in my opinion. We started hiking our way to the flower pots while also enjoying the beautiful views of the island. After spending some time close to the flower pots, we took a dip in the refreshing water of Georgian Bay and relaxed here. It's easy to lose track of time here. We hiked back to our departure point and made it on time for our return cruise. The return leg was much shorter and took us about 25 minutes to get back to Tobermory. And there you have it, folks, a day well spent on our unforgettable day trip adventure to the Flowerpot Island. In my next vlog, I'm gonna cover Inglis Falls and Lion's Head and Brucepeninsula, the two spots that we saw on our return drive back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.